Because it's all School Thursday. It's TBT. Prefects. Yes.
Prefect.
Some of the political leaders you see aloud ma practice influence not Goria through being prefects in school. Yes.
You know, leaders are born.
Yes.
And others make themselves along the way.
No, others hustle until they find their way into the inner circle. Yes. There are some who are naturally, they have wit, they have flair, they are endowed to be leaders. Yes. Nationera wakora mwikira suanu twika kiranja wa darasa ewanu. Yes. Na ndocio no wagagia nginya ochuwe. Atene oratha na kirathi.
Ni kirifeti.
Ni kirifeti.
Kirifeti.
Kiswahili sanifu alikuwa anaitwa nani? Kiranja wa darasa. Yes. But of course halere huo prefect wage yagira prestige ri no dituri. Ni the codari.
Wathi theko.
Wathi. Ndoge kibita theko.
Igwe etagwo rugoko. Athire theko.
Yes. You see theko prefect wa authoritative. Yes.
No, secondary prefect.
Yes.
No, that was a prestigious position.
You know, I was one at some point. Though I was in a department that was largely populist. Entertainment captain.
When you have a title captain,
yes.
Where we
no, that is cabinet.
Well, you sit in the cabinet.
Yes, the kitchen cabinet. No, I had the influence. Entertainment captain, influence. Yes.
Of course, you can have a mood very influential.
Very influential.
And very informed.
And witty and talented. Yes. No wakinya hado wakora ma prefect ri ukagia na a shake up.
Tole avirikari ne kogea shake up.
Yes.
Ogoka kefagio.
Ukaigwa muka put on notice. Lego kona some changes in
leadership.
Yes. Mukaje kugea no kore kia. Yes.
Tole president yale kile mwaka uyu.
Exactly.
Kaba gatuma yothe mucii. Agacagura njeru.
Ona hewe wihora tumanie mahoya arauga andu maramwito waziri. Auga muniombe. I'm going through a lot. Leo shake up we ori. Ni wakora leo prefect umwe kaneri wa metemwa. Yes.
Especially kugegeire either a successful
yes
or a strike that never succeeded.
Yes.
No ginya kugegeire na major shake up.
A major shake up and a tilt of power. Yes. A shift volcanicity. Yes.
No ginya kugegeire no cenjia.
My today we are saying that Josephat Murave shall no longer be captain. That position shall be led by Muthoni Waja Mase. So, Murave, you shall return your tie and blazer immediately after this assembly.
And the school black book.
Yes, very fast. We are also changing games captain. Daria Sigushu will be changed with immediate effect. That position shall now be headed by a Rende. Outside the trappings of
power.
Yes. You see, you have had a very quick plummet into civilianhood.
No, kwaja kiundu kiu gia ucokie matamu.
Yes.
You had to blazer.
Yes.
Na tai.
Na baji. Yes.
You have to return them with immediate effect.
And you had preferential treatment during meal times.
No kehererio ithagathago ta kwaragara ini ya irio.
Yes.
Because you are a prefect or a captain.
Yes. Ugacoka riu ukehererio nginya right of way. This is prefect wa big deal to them. Mutigia he gisania na prefect yo.
Ari kijana right of way.
Yes. Prefect akegire, excuse me, wahigura ajira. Yes. Tamo ujia. Excuse me.
Ojoke wehererio. Privilege ta icio.
Ni wamba okagia a very dark oblivion.
Ona wambaga ukamena thukuru ucio
pio
nginya ukaigua kondi uhoti nie ndathie transfer.
Na ndwambaga kuheana uhoro muci ati ni uranyihire.
Tondu ona kuo ni ukwagwo.
You hold your head high kuria gutoekaine. No horo eventually ni wakinyaga ati ni wahagurirwo. You were impeached.
No gicokio thura kuine.
Yes. And some of the things yatindikagiria prefect kuhagurwo ri. Tiga ru kuhoranio kuhagurwo ri. You see, prefects were largely very disciplined students. No heto maundu ni undu wa influence ri. Ni wakora kwena saga cia coupling.
Kuria kwari thukuru cia mixed.
Yes. Akero ndungitungata githomo na kihiko.
You have to choose.
Akero le ure. Do munene. You see, when the hyena wants to eat its children, it accuses them of smelling like a goat or a sheep. Yes. Kaiwa mwalimu wa now, we cannot defend you on this.
I mean, it's obvious.
No, it's obvious. Munaenda mumeshikana mikono.
Na hata wale wengine wanaona.
Yenye mnajifanya ni kama wanadoa.
Na wewe ni prefect.
Na wewe ni senior prefect. So now hiyo sasa hiyo hatuwezi.
We cannot entertain that.
No, that one is you are setting a very bad precedence for your fellows. So you shall stay outside for a while we review. That's a lie.
Hiyo nao ilikuwa uongo.
Ndirakwira barakaraga. We kiriveti. And how no wamenya mundu aiketio jari. You can very quickly become a criminal.
Very true.
Prefect jesho ni masoka no mundu wanyita aici no atuike moici moru muno.
Oe tu ico tuothe twa aici.
Yes. Watuika a very radical criminal. Ogekirwo on the watch list of the school.
Kwa jongia fili atiriri ila ikarathi weka self evaluation ukona handu handineherio na kihoto haha either ni guthirwo kana ndweheirwo chance ya gwitetera ureane your side of the story
ukona you were rigid.
No aturagwo muno
ukamba ukona impeachment ya kwa diare procedure.
And it was done in a manner to humiliate you.
And you know sometimes kwe prefect wonaga ni threat hari school captain.
Yes. Iona no igwa mama sa unaona musiri akipeo hiyo kiti.
Hiyo musiri akipeo
takafsuri na hiyo mapendeleo itaisha huku.
Captain nake akuhitaga itherero ruguru.
Gathini na guthini.
Ukaigererwo scam otageruta. I know it is your word against them. The captain. Yes. Warokana na hiyo. Watuika no. You cannot be leading people in sneaking out of school.
And you are a prefect.
And you are a senior prefect. Ugatagathwo kingangaine ni wehe. And your replacement is standing beside you.
No kero sarende back.
Yes.
Matonjo na matamu ma wathani.
Yes. Maicha mao seferia ni mago ikaragira kidogo.
Kuaja no wamenyaga andu ni ma celebrate kugwa kwa mundu.
Yes.
To taru ma prefect ni magithia mucemanio.
Yes.
Rege once in a week. Akumenina ria mwana Peter na wi wathani-ini ri.
Yes.
Akura Gathaiya mucemanio wa cabinet munene.
Aya munene korarira haha umuthi.
Aya ruthi arabu mucemanio.
Aya trip ya nene ndurathie. Kae guku munene.
Hau ndi harigagia na kara.
Niki utarathi utucuka. Niki omothe nduratwara karisti.
Ndigazio ni andu mwana Peter na uri unene-ini.
waje ungiekoria tu wandikitwo noise maker nere mwene kwa heawo utongoria mundu uria uraigwa ni umukuhite piu nake kwa it is payback
time.
Yes. Akagotua on his watch list. Okarugamio ta inanire ugathekerero. Let me tell you. Odocio doko na chamba.
No, ndwari chamba ona nini.
Yenda na haguru. On fabrications and unfounded claims.
On a system yes, you are good. No matter you are becoming
radical
and too entrenched.
And radical, and you are a threat to the entire system.
Yes.
They manage you.
In line of succession.
Yes.
We hakuhe muno na mirugamo ya kure.
Yes.
Tiguo deep state irenda.
Yes. Kana hagoro entertainment captain no my replacement today. Kiria na irwo ni wa abisi. No, the influencer still held it.
Portfolio.
I gave him the time of his life. Anywho, in life.
Na hata huku inja iko tu hivyo.
Oh yes. Yeah, no, hakuna kitu mpya chini ya jua. Ni hivyo. Reure. It is initiation season.
Is that season again?
Yes. Season ile yokoraga chala chehi. Tigesiaga okay ruithio. Aone ukambros wa karia tikogimara. Tondu kogimara is very ambiguous. Ajira buga kuruithio. Tondu kuona keti koragwo riri. Sugar coating.
Yes. Ko tire sugar coating ya maundu.
Yes. And of course nowadays ni ukoraga riu athuri akiama ni maranyitana magabanga uhoro ucio. Some will go to the churches. Tene it was basically an individual family affair.
Yes.
And back then it was strife. Yes. The strife was real.
Kungangana.
Ona we mwene ni wasesaga okona ihinda nirikuireirie na drona any initiative
gutire na ndariri na tondu riu ugikinya riu miaka ya kurua ri at least riu no akorogwo wanjitie gutaukwo ni tumaundu ukamenya kundu guku thino ria wikuo kundu guku ukona mwana wanyu ahaya aheo herbal remedies Mukamenya gutiuma kindu ya kumutengeria ku thimitari
wa muvia ukoria ai kuru uyu ndanathi kwa mukiro origitani ri ya kone ma come consider very cosmetic
na mauge atiriri it can still be optional. We can push forward,
we can postpone and postponing was very detrimental psychologically.
It was very bad.
It was horrible.
No kiari kiundu kiuru mentally.
And you know nowadays people have become better. Adori, you see, rikariale ure kuore ne ithue ala to etukire maundu
tamacio
ko to tietaga mundu akietukira
kaundu takau.
So we always step in. Rikariale ho ithue tugikinya hau. They were very indifferent.
No, they would not give a care.
They don't give a hoot. So what?
Ya kirodo munene.
Alekyo iwalo igari garitori. Makure na maga ni ya dhambi na mama maruta kwa power.
Daza iro ginya ne Kurua.
Ni daza iro ne Kurua. Na mayali kwa koragwo ndera ru.
Kwa bia.
Acha bagabia. No, it used to be very detrimental.
No, yeah, very bad.
We karetyo gwokona kuria ne kwa Karis mokona mami wao ni okana kira ile paraphernalia ile cionanagia the obi
cia kuonania mehariria riu ni mariku.
Yes. Ukamenya ucio ni ekwamba.
Ni ekwambata. Kana ni eguthie.
Hey, no. You would not prompt. Tondu ndwendaga very bad. Tondu ungiuria thoguo. Riu ari ya muri.
Oi mwathani.
Yes. Ona mamiguo munini niwe oragia atiriri. Waseira. Kamu mwana muramubangira atia.
Ithi arauga ndari kindu ii.
Riu tondu ndari kindu mwana ndeguthie.
Ndikumuinira rwimbo ru kuma mweri wa 7.
Ni mugure gwibanga ithira turao kwanyuaga ndaramenya mwana ni ararua.
Riu ndari kindu
ru anyue nginya mbeca cia irua ria mwana.
Na no aracirira mugunda uyu.
Riu cira wa mugunda na mwana uyu niki kia hi na hi. Murenda mwana uyu eite. No, I'm not going to and sometimes he would you know, excite the initiative. Yes. Ni athogo thaga undu ucio kaneneha. Wakinyira nginya coguo. Yes. Wakinyira nginya baba guo mukuru.
Mother. He maundu matarathi wega.
Gutirathie wega guku. Mwana uyu umenye uria oi mbere yake ni aceritheirio. Mwana nginya wahetukite kigani agicokerio thuku tondu angiathire theko. Murenda tuture rwimbo ru matho nawe to ukiugaga yetiwaria na muruguo
ariria muruguo
ni umwanirie kumenya kuria mbeca cikuma ciana ici ni cikwimena aya tia marika maria mari kuo tene. And true, you would feel horrible.
No,
what you giakinyire wone that season is over. Yes. Wone mama turorete kirithi mali
na gutire na dalili.
You would feel bad.
Riu kwaja wajagikere karia ngoro.
Yes.
Ukona riu rika ria kuri othe ara munathomaga nao murarikaneirie nao.
Ne moranuo.
Ugatara wothe ngania niwe wambirie. Ngania ni muthiu. Ngania ona ni umirite.
Na kwariria. Ndarenda ngano cia kuni. You are not in the same league. That thing would affect us psychologically.
Oru mono.
It was traumatic to say the least. Yes. Ginya turia utware class 8 nawe ukona matirendo horo aku.
Matirenda stories yaku.
You would feel terrible.
Ona mundu ni ahingagira.
Yes. Riu mwana guokaga mama guo mwe. Mama toro ni mamu. Akauga atiriri. Oyo ni jenga we na tiri. Kai metuga no tatigete. Amigo mwana akauga. Ero no ni athire.
Hoyo horo nguhe. Oyo uri. Aoria ciarirwo. Those words would not mean what. Angetetio. Mama ugatuika concerned.
Akamwona gatuni kara kada dasara. Utiko ndu athiete.
Agithiete ku.
Aoria wa mutigire. Ari angi othe rio na ria umiru. Nowe. Mama ugatuika very act. Yes.
Akarigo how?
How now?
Why?
What is the meaning of this? Akaruta decree. Na no mbeca ciare directive. Mbeca ni ciagararaga nginya. He would not exert that kind of authority in the open. Like jarie na giria. My brother ha.
Waria na brother.
Oka. Asa du hadi.
Muthuri handu hatarathi wega.
Atiari hathia wega. Niki Ciagite. Mbeca twetereire gukumatie maroka. Nengeratie kuga mwana uyu waririo. Mendange kwaririo.
Ndangiona ciugo cia gukwariria.
Kwiratia. Ati kwaririo ii. Ona ni acokete gukira muno. Maihenya na ihenya ndauga ati rucio rurakia. Ke. Ni cigana. Ke.
Wakundure.
Uka Maritha. Sister Maritha. Indo cia kumuhariria. You would consider your uncle the archangels of the new heaven.
Sent from heaven.
Yes, the cherubs and the kerubi. Na Serabi. Yes.
Nĩ igũrũ rĩa mũtũma.
Wona ũcio nĩ Mikaeli waharũrũka we mwene. Nĩ mathagu atari. Yes. You would hold your head high with the stage. Yes.
Tukawia finally.
Yes. Na nuona mwe stage ũguo andũ nĩ maramenya. Okay, weka na kani gakoria. Keka. Kurua.
Yana, tera hu.
Era we.
Tera. Agoringe.
Hello we.
Kijana wajetie kugea base.
You are starting to own the man in you. The small boy is being overshadowed by the impending man that you are about to become. Yes. While you are with your head held high. Yes. You felt like you owned a chunk of your father's land. You are the okay, we are better late
than never.
Yes, yeah, I am. More yanere.
Nalu, we were marigiri yoguo. Na wathairira ari.
Yes.
You see riu arikari akure.
Yes.
Riu egire mai koretwo riu no
they are okay now.
They are okay na mathiete na makarikia.
Yes.
No, ne maguceragira.
No, you would get a lot of traffic.
Yes.
And you would feel kingly. Yes. And some of them would honestly celebrate.
Yes.
So and you never forget an uncle like that.
Yes.
Mostly they were uncles.
Ne mama.
Mama guaka pana.
No.
We cannot.
No.
Tigethio guo.
Mwana ucio ndangire kwa ikari oguo.
Hapana, ni athie rocio.
Uliona mwale wa nyina na mura. Nĩndĩranjĩtie kũmwarĩria na akajia kũmũiguthia ũrĩa angĩcokera tuone kana mwaka ũngĩ nĩ gũkwagĩra.
Hapana, gũtirĩ mwaka ũrarũa. Nĩ ũyũ. Niĩ ndĩraĩ tũkĩgeranio. Mwaka nĩ ũyũ. Ona kaba arĩre thigũkũ thĩinĩ. Na nĩ waigua ningĩ ũritũhĩirwo kaigua rwĩmbo rũringithĩtie Krismasi. You are
bado uko pale ndani.
You are serving time in the process. Where's talker? What against you cannot.
No,
you are no. Of course your age mates ni mayoka. Wera gĩcapa cike. Mũsikiete kũhunja. Let me tell you, some of us are from the struggle.
Real struggle.
Real strife and struggle. And we were dealing with people who are very heartless. Kwendo meroragira.
Then they would do nothing.
And they would even pretend it's not an agenda.
Yes. After all, huja kufa.
And you know, rithavu ri ndũngĩathire theko ũtarĩ mũng'e.
No.
That is exposing the young men into a lot of
no, you couldn't.
Stigma.
Yes. No.
Ona ũngĩathire mwarimu wa theko ĩyo amenye ũguo nĩ agũcokagia na mũciĩ.
No nĩ ũkũhũndũka.
Mũkero mwana ũyũ mũbange gũkũ ndangĩikara ithe
ndangĩikara ũguo.
Oh yes. At least things have changed nowadays. Tene kĩndũ andũ matekagĩrwo nĩ ithemba. That was not a priority.
Ndĩarĩ yo ti ũndũ mũnene. Wewe bora.
Yes.
Menda.
You get your rights, find your way.
Yes. Sabana na dunia.
Bas, na ndio hiyo. Raur, still on TBT. I know that is still the case even today. No ithuĩ tũgĩthoma rĩ maũndũ mau matiarĩ maingĩ
marĩkũ
kwenda fundraiser rĩ or a noble cause ĩrĩa ĩrabatara kũnyitĩrwo nĩ society rĩ gũtirĩ batiga ona thutha. Administration yahũthagĩra arimũ, aciari, kanitha na ciana. Yes. Nĩ wakora atĩ rĩu kwĩna funds drive rũgongo rũko hira thicirakuo. Maybe they want to do tene charity tiĩkaga mũno rũgongo.
Asa.
Ũndũ he hĩndĩ ona rũgongo hakuhĩ andũ othe mabataraga charity ĩyo.
Everybody was in need.
Leo akora ida nimura kana thari. Kana kwina mucango.
Kana kwina irathiro irenda kuongererwo thukuru.
Yes.
Na ndio CDF ndiragiukite.
Ndio it was solely the responsibility of the community.
Yes. Munyitane mucangane bia mwake thukuru.
Yes. How know some of the corrupt leaders we have today? Really corruption at a very basic level.
Kugumia.
Kugumia. Is another idea Gukumio what I
Reko. Gumania Gukumio.
I remember it. You see, administration here Karatri, we Kadisha Kiruta Gero Ciari.
Mogeda Mbeca.
Yes. But sometimes they would pick not every pupil Mukaneo Kafomu. And you tikadi for mu. A card equates where you had a Guru. Okahodivia K.
Okahodivia Mbeca.
Yes. Oh, mundo Kenya na Kenya shule ke. Semania da. Yes. Na ndiane agwado the hapo ndio unyanyapa ulianza. Ni mara makona oyu uri. Nio thukaza ikao tukone gote tuate.
Ndio ayo shokia ginya garama ya gucabithia karata.
Yes. Na mwana yo holiday ne. Nigetha maka identify aria mathia gucerera matata we Nyairobi. Magiandikirwo kanya.
Magiandikirwo kanya mu.
Yes.
Yo no kinengero fomu mwalimu ni akwiraga.
Yes.
Ngoni. Simuko na shagasi yenu huko Leruta.
Tunakuago nae.
Unaenda kutembea huko.
Tuliambiwa tukifanya suri tutapelekwa huko holiday.
Sasa utabeba hii.
Waambie waandike tuko na mshago ya shule. Na waambie chida ile iko huku inawaka mo. You had to be given a script. Yes. Why this? Ukaneo. At first even your heart was very noble about it. You were in the spirit of the cause. Yes.
Kurugama na itura.
Yes.
Kurugama na dhukuru.
Yes. And in usual fashion, those you have to get compromised when the money comes in.
Oere Mbeca ni gathukia.
Yes. Si wathia ugathaitha andu muno. Na wathia mundu muno akwandikira pledge. Na andu aingi matiandikagira ciana mbeca ikirite bauni. Hapana.
Ni ngori kwanja kingori kiria gia kona.
Yes. I remember you to have your freedom from hunger walk. Yes. I guess you UNESCO and what have you. Kwenda da ho thietia ngiri 11. Uko. Rage o trophy.
Uko naku andu makiri no tana. Ngiri 11.
Yes. Ndio kanida kuria twathoma na mutahi wa Ngoni. Nairobi chap. Ndathiurukia ku rimwe riegari. Meri matano. No rogori. Mbeca ta icio ona ni kuthiire thoko ngima. Mugeni agitioka akarugama na ki. Leo acagithagia. Yes. Na ni wora yo ni mami ukinyetia ke. Ite no rako ira ciringi nyanya.
Ni buru
ciringi nyanya.
Ya ana ire ithatu.
Tiro biorale ire thwiti. Ugacaga. Ukonere ubesa we na ciringi 300 ma 40. Yes. Kale kachetani kaungumania kana kuteberea
roho wangu kumyo gagucema
gagakwira atiri ni uri waria mugate mugima we woitu
asa
ni werirageria gutungata soda ya nuthu lita we nyoika
no nyende
hihi noikara ogwo ugecirio kiria methugwiti bagiti
biseo ni ujuka hakiri
no wende kuronia thuitina ya riengi
no nyende
ihinda tiriki leo
wina mbeca muhuko
mbeca ici wena cio gutire mundu uwi tiga we urio gweka nacio nĩ itua rĩaku tua itua mũthĩ wĩtũrire wakua nĩwo
Nibora. Wetugate.
Yes.
Wicokerie ngatho. Wihurire ruhi.
Mekana yaku kuria mbeca ciathire. No uthota guteka tathika ukiono.
Ocio ni ngomora kwariria.
Ocio riu ni saitani. Mena thoni yake.
Na nyumba yao.
And you head to the car of doom.
You give in.
Watanuka karatabi. No gaikia pit.
Latrin.
Yes. Hiyo sasa umetupa karatasi ya evidence.
Hakuna saba.
Yes. From there, you start now dealing with your catch money. Yes. Ukaboka hakania kwanyu na buroti nya. Kondo toy kaine na dwanyu magiriga. Baikara the muka ogetia safa sisi
igere
na ndengo. Na dhota muiru. Waikia matatha ukamenya ugiukambagoro ni ukoro wa hucuka. Waini orio kana ni ukuria ouge he ndanira gukunya. Yes.
Na makena mamenye he thani ehera.
Yes. Hedio ni watege turashiringi 50. Yes.
Ukamenya proceeds of corruption.
Yes.
Can be sweet.
Yes. No, corruption proceeds are sweet. Yes. These are proceeds of crime. Odieso wanafaro kaiwa. Hihi ni wedi agiria thabutha ya nyama. Kana no uragirwo ni cia waru. In the coming few days, you see, Bea nina ndarwa na ke.
Na ihudha.
Before you know it, you are left with a paltry 65 shillings.
Bigutho wa gusquada.
Na no ratanyo ufailo kindu gitagwo okay.
Returns.
Yes. Na mwakinya muthenya wa gucokia ri ni wamenyaga wega your fellow corrupt leaders todo no matia kona form and they would have all manner of excuses ili kuliwa na busi yetu
nilifua nguo
nikafuanisha
tukiwa ruwe
ikaenda na mto.
Ukamenya the corrupt are many.
Yes. Ukamenya the cabals, the cartels of society are heavily represented. The wheeler dealers, the entrepreneurs, you are in their midst. Koli umeshagisha pesa gapi ngeze?
Aliya biashara project.
Yes. Umeshagisha pesa gapi? 65.
Yes, 65.
Niliandikiwa na watu wangapi? Niliandikiwa na watu waine 15. Alafu nyanyagu akanipea kuburi. Baikana nagia madhafu mauna. Oh, ria ando corrupt megana nagia madhafu. Magithinga ke
maoro.
And some corrupt dealers would not be very vast at covering their tracks. Niao kana form no ni akajite. Kwa hiyo bona umekanso hii. Sagasi yangu alikuwa ameniabiria akaniambia hale alikuwa amegoja kuonyesha atinonya. You know, that's a track of evidence. It can be followed up.
Kama njaka ruo cio kire atekite ri.
Yes.
Ndaithira ni te ungumania ini.
Yes. Ndawe aingira katero ini wega. Akamea mundu ni akavaga
footprints.
Na keheria
paperwork.
Paper trail.
Na paper trail.
Yes.
Failo ikitafutwa inakosa.
Failo inakosa kabisa. Munasikia inaonwa Kitui. Oh, that is how some of us became ambassadors of corruption.
Na project ishige stall.
I'm going to need you to inspire kwa jithio kwa yeta okasa then. The Kenya Anti-Corruption
Commission
Authority. It was an authority then.
Tatuika commission.
Ndio to inspire horosio. Negu kumio rogongo.
Na miradi yake ya kuigania bia cia kurika.
Yes. You see kwa karatathi ka uri. Leta kuheo ri office. Ne bakuri. Na nuona andu amwe makiendekithia muno mundu arehete magana matandatu ma 50
andikite nginya akaihuria karatathi
ukarigwa atiri that one huyo hajui pesa ufisadi ni tamu.
Ni kama ataandikwa kwa hiyo klasi ikijengwa
huyu. Nafikiria hapa tunalea mufea. Huyu ni madhea. Mwitu wito li.
Madhea.
She is going to be a nun. No doubt about it. No, there are some people who were, they didn't give a hoot. They would eat the entire loot.
Wewe usuguke ukioba, alafu ukule.
Yote. As daring as okode ngiria wandikirwo ri thogu. Bodio kauga ile siku mlinipea hiyo karatasi. Hiyo siku ndio karatasi
ilipotea.
Nikajaribu kuambia watu na mdomo wakaniambia hawaaminiki nini?
Maneno tupu. Na iko vina 46. Wafisadi.
Corruption is inspired one way or the other. People are not born corrupt. They become.